Hello and welcome back to my English classes. I hope you are safe at home as we are going through hard time. Now today we are going to see class 7th lesson 8 from Sparrow book poem No, which is written by Thomas Hood. Now no means what? Nahi. So here the writer is describing about certain things where he went, about no things. Now let's see what no is there. No sun, no moon, no morn, no noon means the writer is saying this, that poet is saying this, that there is no sun, no moon, no morning, no afternoon time, no dawn, no dusk, no proper time of day means जैसे शाम होती है, ठीक है, देर इज़ नो डस्क, नो प्रॉपर टाइम ऑफ डे मतलब यहाँ पे कोई टाइमिंग नहीं है डे का. नो स्काई, नो earthly view means he is saying this, there is even no sky. No earthly view means जैसे हम लोग पेड़ पौधे अच्छे से देखते हैं, सब डेक्ड अप रहता है, अच्छे साफ सुथरा रहता है. he is saying that no earthly view means there is nothing like that. No distance looking blue means there is no sky, no clouds, no distance where you can see the blue lining. No road, no street, no trotter side this way means he is saying there is no road, any type of road is not seen. No streets, no trotter side this way means there are no गलियाँ भी नहीं कि कोई लेफ्ट जाए कोई राइट जाए. No, nothing is there. No end of any row means there is no end of row means a narrow street lined with houses or buildings on both sides. मतलब that there are no houses or buildings on the side of the road. No indications where the crescents go means there is no instructions or direction given where the crescents can go. No top to any steeple, no stop to any steeple. No recognition of familiar people means there are no people found here to whom he know. No courteous for showing, courteous means showing politeness in one's attitude. There is no one to show any type of polite attitude to anyone. No knowing them means nobody knows them because nobody is even there. No traveling at all, no locomotion means no traveling as people are not there, so nobody is traveling, nobody is walking through. The locomotion means any vehicles. No inkling of the way, no notion. Inkling means a voyage idea, मतलब there is no one to give any idea to which direction, to which way the person should go. No go by land or ocean, there are not even proper land or ocean to go through. नो मेल नो पोस्ट, जैसे हम लोग जगह पे रहते हैं तो वहाँ पे पोस्ट ऑफिस होता है जहाँ पे हम लेटर्स डाल सकते हैं, बट देयर इज़ नो letters, there is no post office. No news from any foreign coast means there is no one to tell the news about other countries or other places. No park, no ring, no afternoon gently. Ring means a circular course of park like in London, and gently means courteous and well mannered society. He is saying this, that there is no park, there is no park like Hyde Park in London. There is no well mannered society because nobody is staying there. नो कंपनी नो नोबिलिटी मीन्स देर इज़ नो कंपनी मीन्स यहाँ कंपनी वो बिल्डिंग वाली कंपनी नहीं है, यहाँ पे देर इज़ कंपनी मीन्स देर इज़ नो कंपेनियन टू टॉक टू एनी वन एज देर नो बडी वॉज लिविंग देर, सो देर वॉज नो वन टू टॉक टू. नो नोबिलिटी, नोबल लोग है ही नहीं वहाँ पे. नो वार्मथ, नो चेयरफुलनेस, नो हेल्थफुल की ईज़ मीन्स बिकॉज वहाँ पे कुछ है ही नहीं, ऐसे ही उजड़ा पड़ा हुआ है, तो देर इज़ नो वार्मनेस. वार्मनेस मीन्स एक दूसरे का देखभाल करना, एक दूसरे के बारे में जानना. नो चेयरफुलनेस एज नो बडी वॉज देयर, नो बडी इज़ देयर टू लाफ, दो नो बडी इज़ देयर टू टेक केयर ऑफ ईच अदर, नो बडी वॉज देयर टू sing and enjoy themselves. No healthful ease means nobody was there to take care if anybody is sick. No comfortable feel in any member means as nobody was there, no one is there to give comfort to any member in the group. No shade, no shine, no butterflies, no bees. Now in the nature wise he is saying there is no shade because there are no such trees, no shine because there is no sun, no butterflies because there is no garden, no bees because जब पेड़ नहीं है तो bees भी नहीं है, no fruits, no flowers, no leaves, no birds. In the same way he is saying this, that there are no fruits even, there are no flowers, there are no leaves and birds, and in all he is describing the month of November. I hope you have understood the chapter. Please do like and subscribe my channel, My English Classes. Thank you.